So during the spring and summer months, foremans are typically responsible for changing the blades. Typically we do them every other day. You want a nice clean blade when you're cutting, otherwise you'll get the brown tips as well. The 52s and the 42s, they use the same blades. I think we have 140, one or two 48s. Those have separate blades, different size. Air filters, they should be getting blown out every time we do the blades, if not every day. That's just right in here, Sophia. Pop that off. We got the air compressor. There's 2 filters inside there. Pull them out, spray, blow them down. This right here. So you just pop this cover off.
Every day.
So you got this outside one.
Every day.
It's not blown out. See all the dirt coming?
Every day.
So this, typically, smack it a couple times, stick the filter, stick the air gun inside here, blow it out real good. Floyd, the mechanic, he should be checking these probably every 2-3 months. If they need replaced, replace them. If not, let me or Efren know. We'll get some ordered. We'll get them swapped out for you. So you got the little filter inside there, and it just slides right in the center. Like that. This one just goes back over top. And you'll feel them when they click in. Slide this back on. Lock it, done. You got your gas. Make sure you always have a full tank of gas before you go out in the morning. You should be filling those in the afternoon when you're coming back in and unloading debris. Check the blades in the morning whenever you guys are loading them up. Make sure the PTOs are working. That way you don't get out to the field and have a non-working mower. The PTOs, they go out all the time. It's just a cheap part, cheap connection. Check them before. Check everything before you load them up in the morning. Check the oil, make sure the oil's filled, gas, and the PTO. That way you're out ready to roll. And that's it.